In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start manufacturing decorative products that you could sell on Etsy or Lazada. I will show you how you can transform this simple plank of wood into a decorative work of art, which is sure to be a head-turning conversational piece and that nobody has. So I purchased this plank of wood from Daiso for $2. This is the artwork I would like to use on this plank of wood. Now specifically, I would like to retain the wood grain texture to have a natural wood feel to it, so I will purposely leave out a section unprinted. In terms of printing, we are first going to lay down a layer of varnish, then we would lay down 2 layers or 2 coats of white, followed by a layer of color, and lastly a layer of varnish to protect the printout. So now that the process has been completed, you can take a look at the final product. As you can see, the machine has done a fabulous job of retaining the wood grain feel, as well as the printout itself is spectacular in terms of its detail and accuracy. If you'd like to learn more about our machines or even know how you can start manufacturing your own products that you could possibly sell, we will be happy to assist, so please contact us. Thank you.